Hello, welcome. This is News Labs. Here's the headline. India-Myanmar board took off territory misuse. Government restores Saturday holiday for employees. RIMS dental college signs at oral health day contest. Andy Burnham on course to be new UK PM. India-Australia signed energy agreement paving for uranium trade. India rolls out scheme to boost sustainable fishing on high seas. Mexican village warned of cartel offensive during the World Cup. Now the news in detail. India-Myanmar board took off territory misuse. India and Myanmar have resolved to check the misuse of their sovereign territories for activities detrimental to its other security interests, with Myanmar assuring that its territory will not be allowed to be used against India's security. During the 23rd national level meeting held in New Delhi on July 7 and 8. According to the Ministry of Home Affairs, the two sides reviewed the prevailing security situation along the India-Myanmar border and stressed the need to maintain peace, stability, and security in the border areas. Both countries underscored the importance of preventing the misuse of their sovereign territories for activities inimical to each other's security interests. The two delegations also held comprehensive discussion on bilateral security cooperation and reviewed progress on the existing dialogue mechanism. They discussed measures to combat transnational crimes, including terrorism, insurgency, narcotic trafficking, arms smuggling, human trafficking, wildlife trafficking, cybercrime, and other forms of organized crime. Both sides agreed to strengthen intelligence sharing, improve operational coordination, and undertake capacity-building initiatives to address common security challenges more effectively. The meeting also reaffirmed the importance attached by both countries to their long-standing friendship, close partnership, and shared commitment to further strengthening cooperation for mutual benefit. The Indian side reiterated that Myanmar occupied a key place in India's neighborhood force, Act East and Mahasagar, mutual and holistic advancement for security and growth across regions policies. Government restores Saturday holiday for employees. The government has restored Saturday as a holiday for state government employees by withdrawing its April 24 notification that had declared all Saturdays except those falling on general holidays as working days. In a notification issued by the General Administration Department on Thursday, the government withdrew the earlier order with immediate effect, citing the reduction in disruptions to work in government offices over the past 2 months. The order comes amid the indefinite choose work strike by Manipur Government Services Federation, Manipur Secretariat Services Association, and Manipur State Pensioners Union over various service-related demands. RIMS Dental College signs at Oral Health Day contest. Department of Pediatric and Preventive Dentistry of Dental College under the Regional Institute of Medical Science RIMS has brought laurels to Manipur by securing the first prize in the World Oral Health Day 2026 celebrations contest organized by Indian Society of Pedodontists and Preventive Dentistry. The competition witnessed participation from dental colleges, hospitals, and clinics across the country, making this recognition a significant national achievement, said a RIMS media shell release, informing that the award marks a remarkable journey of sustained excellence for the department. Over the past 3 years, the dental college consistently improved its performance, progressing from the first consolation prize in 2024 to the second prize in 2025, and now the coveted first prize in 2026. It also informed that continuous prestigious recognition is the result of the dedicated efforts and teamwork of the faculty, students, interns, and staff of the department under the stewardship of Department of Pediatric and Preventive Dentistry Associate Professor and Head Dr. Wairok Pam Bhumika Devi. The achievement was made possible with the constant encouragement, support and guidance of RIMS Director Professor G. Sunil Kumar Sharma, Medical Superintendent Professor Nepram Sanjeev Singh, and Dental College Principal Professor B. Prabin Reddy, whose commitment to academic excellence and community service continues to inspire the institution. Andy Burnham on course to be new UK PM. Andy Burnham looks set for a so-called coronation as the next British Prime Minister as the process to elect a new Labour Party leader formally opened on Thursday. The former mayor of Greater Manchester and new member of Parliament for Makerfield remains the sole candidate in the race to succeed Keir Starmer, who announced his resignation last month and set the clock ticking for a new leader. India-Australia signed energy agreement pave way for uranium trade. India and Australia on Thursday finalized the administrative arrangements required to enable the export of Australian uranium to India for exclusively peaceful purposes, with Prime Minister Narendra Modi saying the landmark agreement would strengthen India's clean energy ambitions and further deepen bilateral cooperation in the energy sector. Announcing the development during a joint press meet with his Australian counterpart Anthony Albanese after the annual Leaders Summit here, PM Modi said the two countries had reached an important agreement in the field of nuclear energy. The uranium exports will be exclusively for peaceful purposes and subject to safeguards of the International Atomic Energy Agency. Moreover, India-Australia also pledged to strengthen the resilience of energy supply chains by deepening regional cooperation, accelerating the energy transition, promoting renewable energy and low-carbon fuels, and encouraging greater investment across the energy value chain. India rolls out scheme to boost sustainable fishing on high seas. Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan on Thursday launched the National Program for Issuance of Letters of Authorization (LOAs) for sustainable harnessing of fisheries in the high seas. He presented LOAs for high seas fishing to 10 fish farmer producer organizations and fishermen from across the country. On the occasion, he also launched the Odisha Deep Sea Fishing Mission document. Mexican village warned of cartel offensive during the World Cup. The bombs started raining down from cartel drones at 6 a.m. on Wednesday just as the sun crested over the mountains of central Mexico. The cluster of rural communities known as Guardias de Ayala, now under siege, had spent weeks warning law enforcement in the state of Guerrero of mounting threats by the encroaching cartel La Nueva Familia Michoacana. But their calls for help went unheeded as World Cup celebrations engulfed major hubs like Mexico City, Guadalajara, and Monterrey. Now all 24-year-old Marilu Sororio Kudu was hid in a nearby abandoned medical clinic together with 70 other women, children, and elderly, hoping the constant sound of drone explosions and gunfire between the cartel and the community's vigilante group would end. Thank you for being with us. This is MM News Live English edition.